Hi there, after much request we've done a big flower. So we've done something that's twice the size of the actual flower itself, and we were adding it to our rose page. So we've now got 3 beautiful pink rose projects for you to do. One actual size, one double the size, and one with some nice black spot and some very, very deep pink. So this is a big flower and it will take you a long time to do, so do it in little stages. And if you're a complete beginner, then just have a go at 1 or 2 of the elements of it. And I really hope you enjoy this, because it's one of the, my favourite thing to do is to paint pink. So this flower is the whole page is like a homage to my absolute favourite flower in the world. So give it a go, see how you enjoy all those wonderful golden and lilac shadows and all the beautiful detail that we add on a very big scale. And you could add it to a big page with your other flowers if you wanted to. I'm actually going to make a whole page of roses here, big sheet of roses, because I love them so much. So I'm going to continue and finish this beautiful composition and hopefully show it to you on the website. So enjoy and have fun painting. I hope you do.